Today I present the recipe for Sicilian Cassata. The ingredients for the cassata are 500 grams of sheep cheese, ricotta, that was sifted, sponge cake that we purchased to speed the recipe, green marzipan, we did it with 200 grams of ground almonds, 200 grams of sugar, green food dye and 150 milliliters of water. Various types of candies to decorate the cassata, liqueur cake diluted with a little of water. Icing for cakes that we will dissolve in a pot, 100 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and dark chocolate chips. Beginning to sift the sheep cheese, ricotta, I've done it in the refrigerator to eliminate its liquid. Now we combine the sheep cheese, ricotta, 100 grams of sugar and teaspoon of vanilla extract. We mix the ingredients. I take a spoon, it is more comfortable. Add the dark chocolate chips, about 70 grams. This cream let rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and in the meantime we continue our preparation. We prepare some trapezoid almond paste. Sprinkle the top with a little sugar. We crush the almond paste marzipan with a rolling pin. Take a knife. We formed some trapezoids in this way. We use the same procedure for the sponge cake. Cut 2 strips, from which we derive other trapezoids. The waste of the sponge cake, we keep them because we'll need to form the bottom of the cassata. We also prepare the bottom of our cassata. Take another disc of sponge cake and we cut to size using the pan. A trick to not to attack the cassata to the pan. Insert a transparent film in the mold in this way. Now we begin to prepare the outline, alternating our almond paste trapezoid with a sponge cake trapezoid. We insert the central part that dampen with liquor for desserts. In this way will remain softer and pleasant to eat. With a knife, cut the edge in this way. Here, this is the result. We take the cream cheese that has rested for 1 hour in the refrigerator. With this cream, fill the entire mold. I take a spoon. Roll out well against the edges. We take our cheese cream, now all the sponge cake that we had set aside for the use of the fund cassata. Bathe still the sponge cake with liquor for desserts. We take a big enough plate or tray for sweet and turn upside down. I take a weight, I put it on the baking sheet and I put all in the refrigerator for 1 hour. While our cassata is in the refrigerator, we prepare the candied fruit that will be used for decoration. We take this beautiful piece of cedar, we cut it into strips and will form some flower petals. Cut into slices also candied orange. Here we have a beautiful pear, we cut it into wedges. We cut even some cherry in half, we will use it to decorate. Here it is. After an hour we remove the cassata from the refrigerator. We remove the mold and the film. And, wow, wonderful! Look here, that beautiful shape. Must remain so. Now prepare the icing. Light the fire, put a few drops of water into the pot along with the frosting for cakes. Expect melts. Here it is. We dissolved the icing and stretch it on the cassata. Done. The glaze is cooling down and put in the fridge for half an hour. Past half hour we decorate the cassata. I put some cherries in the center. Here, now we take the strips of cedar to make some flower petals. We try to place them in this way. Here is the flower. We fill the petals with pear. This is a bit long and I cut it. Although this is a bit long. Cassata is taking shape. We continue to decorate as we like. Let other cherries. Decorate the edges of the cassata to make it all colored. Here it is. Cassata is over. Hello everyone, and the next recipe.